What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy, Enemy Cuts in the building. It's the play, man. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do a burst fade. It's a Mohawk. You know, it's not really a tutorial for you guys to go fuck your shit up, but I'm just gonna show you how I fuck my shit up. And if you like it, please let me know. You know, please leave a like. Smash that like button, man. It goes a long way. Also, feel free to subscribe and keep that notification option on so that you get the most updated videos. So it's just a quick burst fade, guys, and I hope you like this. It kind of took me like about 45 minutes, 45 to an hour. Me fooling around, as you know, and just getting everything sorted. This is my first attempt to doing a burst fade. Well, not really a burst fade, but a Mohawk burst fade. So, you know, don't grill me at the end of the video, but I did try my best. So let me know if you think I nailed it, and much appreciated, guys. So as you can see, I'm just really taking my time trying to get that blend in, and not really focused on the first guideline as yet, because it's gonna take some time to get rid of that line, and I'll show you guys how I achieved that. So now I'm just going in with my 0.5 guards. Guys, I would recommend getting this guard. It is so good. It is really good. It will make a difference when you're trying to do some fade, when you're trying to fade your hair. So get this guard, guys, and so guys, your strokes needs to be very short, because it's kind of like a burst. Like I said, it's a burst fade, so you want to keep your strokes very short, and you need 2 mirrors for the job. As long as you've got 2 mirrors, you keep looking at different angles. So you definitely need to look at a different perspective whenever you're trying to get that fade in. And also work with the edges of your blade. So you don't really want to go too much into the fade. So you keep it short. You keep your fade short, or your strokes short. I was going in with the 1 guard, trying to get that blend in. Just smoothing this out, and I'm back with the 0.5. So guys, like I said, this is not a tutorial. You can pick 1 or 2 things out there. I will point out a few things that I believe will benefit you if you're trying to do your own fades. So it's coming out nicely, and yeah, I'm using the edges of the blade. I'm thinking that it might be set to fully closed, because I'm currently in the process of just trying to get rid of that line, the first guideline that I created. I'm just trying to get rid of that line. And guys, all it is just ensuring that you've got proper lighting. You need proper lighting. You need 2 good mirrors, 1 large and one small. And also later on in the video, you'll see that I'm going to introduce the cut body. So that company reached out to me and they said, you know, give it a try. And most times I'm kind of skeptical about these things. So I decided, you know what, before I review the cut body, I want to give it a try. So I did use it before this cut, and I was, you know, kind of impressed. I would only recommend, if you're doing this on yourself, I would recommend that you use the eyeliner pencil or the white pencil that comes with the cut body. That way you can't really go wrong if you've got a template. So give it a go, guys. So now to help me with the my fade, I decided to go in for a shape up even way before I got the fade on. That's kind of just to help me see where I'm going with this haircut. Remember, guys, this is the first time that I've tried a Mohawk with a burst fade, and it's coming out good. I'm kind of tired of the wave, so I've just decided to let me just try something new. So I grew up my hair, and you know, I didn't know what to do with it, so hence why I decided to go in with, you know, what could work. Looks like I went on YouTube. I'm like, you know, nice haircuts of black men, and the best one I stumbled on was this, the Mohawk. And yeah, it did come out good. I did receive a lot of compliments, and you know, I do get people asking, you know, yo dude, where did you get your haircut from, man? So I kind of get this a lot of the time. So I'm guessing I do a good job, an okay job. Don't want to get too big-headed, so I'm just now going in with the my shape up right now, and also you just want to take your time, and in the corners, that's where you know, that's what you really need to focus on. Like I've said in my previous videos, guys, sometimes your fade might not be on point, yeah, but what you need to do and to make your haircut pop, you really need a good shape up, man. I'm not one to really use the T-liners for shaping up, because I've got my Shaolin technique, which does a really good job, does a nice immaculate job. So then I kind of stick to that. But in this video, I decided to go ahead with the T-liners, and they did pretty well. So guys, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm introducing the cut body, and I would recommend this way. This way. You can't go wrong. You're just pretty much following the line with your T-liners, and it did work out for me. So I'm done with shaping up and lining up my beard. I'm going back, and I've seen one or two areas that needs fixing. What I would recommend, guys, if you notice, you will see that I point out the areas that I've missed, and that is a really good way to blend or help with your fade. So what you need to do, use your fingers and point out the area that you missed, and easy, very easy, to help you get your fade on spot, or get your fade. So pretty much I'm gonna do the same with the other side of my head, and I just ran through it. I'll be honest, this side actually took me less time. This side probably took me like 10 to 15 minutes to get the fade on. When I'm doing a video for you guys, I really try to take my time to do a proper video for you guys. But if I'm not recording, I can just bang this out in no time. I say, if I'm not recording a video, it would probably cut me down. I probably cut this video down by the haircut down by at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I just wanted to enhance the haircut by just going with 3 cuts behind my head. So it did mess up a bit, but you know, I recovered it. So I took my time, and seeing that it's at the back of the head, you can always go a bit larger with the line. So you don't want no thin lines. You want to make it nice and large. So I did recover it, and it does look good, and everyone was like, wow, it looks all right. So So guys, like I said, this is my first time attempting a Mohawk. So there I'm going again with the cut body. And guys, I'm not saying this because like I said, they reached out to me, they sent me the product, and I'm always skeptical about using this type of things because I'm stuck in my old ways. I'm used to using the blade, and I can do a decent lineup without any cut bodies or any tools. It does an amazing job, guys. It helps. I might just give it away because like I said, I don't really need it, but it will be good for you guys that don't have the experience, and at some point in doing it, you might just give it up yourself after using the cut body. But it will be perfect. It's actually a good tool to have if you're not 100% confident in what you're doing. So I'm just finishing this off with my Shaolin technique, and you know, I had to go in with the scissors just to make sure that everything is nice and level. And as you can see, it's coming out really sharp. Just a quick touch up on the mustache and the beard. Get myself looking fresh. I mean, guys, check out the fade. The fade is alright. I would say 85 to 90% decent fade. But as long as you got a proper wicked haircut to go with that, man, can't go wrong. Guys, again, I really appreciate the support. Keep it coming. We've just hit 5,000 subscribers, and I couldn't do it without your help. It's your boy Enemy Cuts. Your boy Enemy Cuts is out. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. You don't know. Blow.